get down to the west a little more. There we go.
Cessna 11 Bravo, I have you in sight. Your number 2 following a Cessna short final. Runway 26, wind 1807, cleared to land. And long landing is approved for Alpha 3 taxiway.
11 Bravo, we're cleared to land number 2, and what was the other instruction, sir?
Cessna 11 Bravo, expect to exit the runway at Alpha 3, long landing is approved.
Okay, long landing approved for Alpha 3, 11 Bravo. Alpha 3 is the taxiway at the end of the runway, so at the end of the runway, so we'll be taxiing down the end and
Martinsburg Tower, Cirrus 139 Kilo, we are 7 miles to the southeast, inbound for pattern work.
Cirrus 139er Kilo, Martinsburg Tower, welcome back. Proceed to report a 6 mile straight in for runway 26, wind 190 at 7, altimeter 3012.
39 Kilo.
the wind is blowing us into the runway, so we're going to crab to the right a little bit.
Martinsburg Tower 70966, ready for departure 26.
Alien 709er66, Martinsburg Tower. Traffic is a Cessna departing into right closed traffic, runway 26 at Echo 1, runway 088, cleared for takeoff.
Traffic in sight, clear for takeoff 26, 966.
Cameras 227, traffic Skylane departing runway 26 prior to your arrival.
Roger.
6 miles straight in.
A little bumpy down here.
Cessna 11 Bravo, traffic Skylane departing runway 26 prior to your arrival.
11 Bravo, okay, short turn time here in a second.
And Cessna 99 X-ray left downwind 26.
Cessna 99 X-ray, continue downwind.
We'll go.
Cessna 909er X-ray number 2 following a Cirrus 4 mile final, and they report that traffic in sight.
99 X-ray.
Skylane 9er66, maintain visual separation with the Cessna and right downwind, and right turn out to the north is approved.
Maintain visual separation and right turn out approved, 966.
39 Kilo, number 1 to runway 26, wind 190 at 10, cleared for the option. Enter left closed traffic on the go.
Cleared for the option, 39 Kilo.
And 99 X-ray has the traffic in sight.
Says the 99 X-ray, roger. Base 2, follow that traffic, number 2, wind 190, correction, wind 2009, cleared for the option.
That was a bit of a bumpy one there. All right.
Cessna 99 X-ray, roger, clear to land runway 26.
They're a little bit high on that.
Cessna 11 Bravo, turn right on Alpha 3, then contact ground.
Right on 3 and over to ground, 11 Bravo, thank you.
Cabiners 227, continue downwind number 3, following a Cessna in the opposite downwind approaching base.
Now my mistake there was, I was managing the crosswind okay, but I was flaring too high. That's because I wasn't looking down the runway, I was looking straight ahead. My bad, that was my mistake. I mean, I landed on the mains first, it was a little hard, but...
Martinsburg Tower, Beechcraft 18792.
Cabiners 227, base 2, follow that traffic number 3 to runway 26. Wind 2009, cleared for the option.
Still on the runway.
Alright, we got the traffic site, number 3, Cabiners 227.
High ground, 11 Bravo, off 26 on Alpha 3, taxi Howard, please.
November 8711 Bravo, mark for ground, taxi Howard via taxiway Alpha.
Taxi to Howard via Alpha, 8711 Bravo. Yeah, so that was my mistake, that landing. It was I landed, it was okay, but I could have done a lot better. I flared too high. I should have kept my eyes down the runway instead of in close. I was focused on the crosswind, and we learn from our mistakes. We learn from practice. So that's how it goes. There's a pretty good crosswind there. I should have done that better. I should have managed that a lot better. Let's see. According to our fuel flow machine here, we used, let's see. Gotta fix the squelch again. Squelch. That's what we used here. Says we use 7.1 gallons, and we have 29.9 remaining. And well, right now we're burning 1.2 gallons an hour, so we have a duration of 22 hours, but that's not right. Yeah, so crummy landing. I'm going to beat myself up on that a lot. Nice flight though. I mean, a little bumpy, but I had a good time just soaring around there a couple turns. A lot of bugs. How come we got a lot of bugs? It's cold out. There shouldn't be any bugs left. I have to clean the windshield when I get back.
And ground, Cessna 2799 X-rays with you. Going to the MRB aviation.
Cessna 2799 X-ray, march for ground, taxi ramp via taxiway, Echo X2.
Echo 2, 99 X-ray.
I'm sure this airplane's landed harder. See, I'm beating myself up again. It's a nice day. Nice Saturday to flying. Yep, get a good view of the transports here, the C-117s. I'm sure the Air Guard would have a friggin' puppy if they knew I had a camera running, filming this stuff. They get real touchy about that. So I flew over my friend Mike's house, and I texted him. He waved at me from his porch and said I was over his house. So he said hello.
Martinsburg ground, Bonanza 55 Sierra. Sierra restaurant, direction of flight will be east.
Bonanza 55 Sierra, Sierra Martinsburg ground, runway 26, taxi via Bravo, Echo, Echo 1, wind 17 at 8, altimeter 3012.
Okay, Bravo, Echo, Echo 1 to 26 for 55 Sierra, Sierra.
It's a 135 Tango Bravo. We're departing to the east also.
Bonanza 55 Sierra, Sierra, use caution for the Cessna taxiing into the ramp.
I got him, not sure where he's going. Okay, he's waving me on.
Makes me want to go back up and do a touch and go and just fix that.
Calling Martinsburg ground, say again.
It's another Bonanza 135 Tango Bravo. We're departing to the east also.
Bonanza 135 Tango Bravo, are you the VTAL there on the ramp?
That's affirmative.
Bonanza 135 Tango Bravo, runway 26, taxi via Bravo, Echo, Echo 1, wind 17 at 8, altimeter 3012.
Bravo, Echo, Echo 1 for 26. 135 Tango Bravo.
I need some air in my front strut. Hear it clunking a little bit. It's been over a year since I had put air in there, so that's good. I had the strut rebuilt at last annual and put new seals in it, but the problem is the shaft that goes up and down, the oleo there, it's got some pitting from the 60 some odd years of flight, and if I don't keep the nose wheel extended when I park, all the air leaks out, even with new seals. So I can't complain. I always keep the nose wheel fully extended when I park in the hangar, and that seems to have done good for me. It lasts over a year now, but probably needs to be topped off. Well, it didn't bottom out on that bump there, so that's okay. Can't hurt to check it though. Maybe on Tuesday I'll come out here when Howard, the mechanic, is here and ask him to top me off. That sounds all right, yeah. That's here, this is how it is on this bump up here. It's a good bump. Doesn't bottom out a bit. Oh, no, it's fine. I just crunched the heck out of it on that landing. I beat it up. See? I'm picking on myself again. I don't know if I'll post this video. I might do it just for the record. Just for the record. I like to review the videos myself. I don't really, do it for anything. I'm not trying to make money or get viewers or likes or anything like that. I like to have them there so I can review them with my friends and family. And every time I watch them, I learn something I could have done better. So that's good. Okay, here we are. Back at the hangar. Slow down a little bit here. Right about there is good. And we'll do our shutdown. First we'll do our comm radio and GPS here. Our transponder. Our other radio. AV31 and 2. Temperatures and pressures are still good. Use 7 gallons. Shut down. And that's good.
Experiments more with this Clarity Aloft headset. It does really good. It's comfortable as heck. But kind of hard to hear the radio. I'm not getting enough noise cancellation or noise attenuation with these plugs. I'm going to have to try use the bigger ones or something, because it's a little loud in there, and I'm having a hard time hearing the radio sometimes. At least twice I think I had to call and ask for a repeat from the tower. And I don't want to miss a call, so we'll take a look into that. All right, see you. Thank you for watching.